So as you can see, I have not plugged this fridge back in. Normally I like to do a plug it in, make sure it doesn't explode before it goes on the YouTube type deal, but as you can see, I've done the start gear with the overload stuff. That wire will join after the fact. It is not factory, it's not, in my opinion, it is necessary, but all I have to do is extend that, run it behind that box there and join it up to this earthing point. The cabinet is earthed, that's what this stuff's about. So it is bonded to ground, but I just wanted to add an earth. I just haven't done it yet, so, you know, don't think that I'm going to kill myself because of this. It's not factory, it's something I've done. So what I'm going to do is go for a compressor start first of all. And I'd like to be able to just rest this in here somehow, maybe like that. And if I can plug this in one-handed, see if it explodes. So we've got a compressor start. Now, this is the discharge line of the compressor. We're not really doing much at the moment, but these systems, you know, they do take a little while. It's not like a modern aircon where, just set this camera, it's not like a modern aircon where it'll start making heat straight away out of the discharge. It's got to build up some pressure in there. These are low pressure systems anyway. So let's open the cabinet. Now we have cabinet light with switch. And got a little bit of water in there. Just starting to hear liquid refrigerant boiling off. These systems take about 10-15 minutes before they really start doing a lot. If the thing is running all the time, so the reason why they don't sound like they're doing much initially is because this is a fully flooded evaporator and that's the suction line there. So as I've said in previous videos, we also have a suction line accumulator to make sure that liquid never makes it back to the compressor, because you can only compress gas, of course. So normally this thing would be maintained with liquid refrigerant by this thermostat here on this suction line, and at the moment it hasn't been running, so there's no liquid refrigerant in there. As you can hear, it's there we go. So anyway, we've got a cabinet light again, which is this will switch with me in here, but set this phone down, probably not. Only if I could just get it to sit there. Damn that. So anyway, you're just gonna have to believe me if I sit this. If I shut this door. So now we're at cabinet light and it's correctly switched, so thanks for your patience putting up with my crap video skills.